How to manage shields on Brave browser. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can manage shields on Brave browser. See, shields are also ad blockers. Okay, they are means of blocking ads and blocking viruses from getting into your PC through browsers. So it is very important that you use your shield and that you manage your shield or your Brave browser. So how do you manage your shield? The first thing to do is to open your Brave browser just like I have done here, and then once you've opened it, go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three dashes, and then you click on it. Then once you click on these three dashes, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, scroll down until you see the settings option. Once you see the settings option, click on it. Once you click on it, you will be brought to the settings page. On the settings page, you will see a variety of options, and there's a list of things that can be done on your Brave browser. Okay, through this page you can customize your Brave browser the way you want it to be. So next thing to do is to navigate through to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying several options. Ensure you click on shields. All right, shield is located below appearance and above privacy and security. So once you click on shield, you'll be taken to the shields page. On this page, you'll see a writing that says block trackers and ads which follow you across the web, and then these are the default shield settings. They apply to all websites unless you change something in the shields panel on a particular site. Changing this won't affect your existing past site settings. So on this page you can edit and work on your shields. You can manage your shields the way you want, and then the first settings here is the trackers and ad settings. So you can change this from standard to aggressive and disabled, or you can upgrade the connection to HTTPS. You can block scripts. You can just manage it the way you want, customize your shields and make it work for you the way you want it to work. So this is how you can manage shields on Brave browser. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.